riding with me. Old school, but it new to me. Jump in, I got on all my jewelry. Then them boys so strapped, they some hooligan.
What if it's just in the wrong hole?
Hey yo.
If it's in, it's not in the wrong hole.
Because I'm looking right here, the back one. We'll have to go this way. Let's try that way.
No, the bottom one lines up. It's not the wrong hole. If it's in, it's the wrong hole. It still works, right?
Listen to this car salesman.
Facts, I'm a car salesman. I don't know about cars.
1 week later.
Fuck with us and then we tweaking, ho.
Stop it. I roll out of bed.
You can record me.
You have nanner on your cheek.
Oh my goodness.
Dude, I threw it up and tried to fix it.
Hey yo, you threw up the nanner? I threw it up. You ever have to throw up and then tell your mom you threw it up?
You ever cook a brick in the air fryer?
Hey yo, everybody think they fly now, but ain't nobody flyer. You ever cooked a half a brick in the air fryer? Shooting out the Lambo truck.
He said,
Fuck. Ah, my left one.
all right guys, we are going out to pick up JT's car.
Yeah.
Dante's driving. We just picked up the rice trailer. This is what we got going on to get this thing on the trailer. But it was Accurate Fab that did it. Just had, but it looks sick. See if you can see in there a little bit. No, we gotta adjust the ramps when you pull up.
I just guessed it perfectly. My clutch is like on the floor.
It's probably just been sitting like the.
I don't know. I'll figure it out.
When was the last time you drove it? Also.
No, I went to pull it off the frame like the wall.
Oh.
3 weeks later.
Hey yo.
I whip it with the left, I whip it with the right, whip.
You gotta hit the whip. I whip it with the left, I whip it with the right. You ever cook half a brick in the air fryer? Boom, 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 boom. You ever cook half a brick in the air fryer? Did you see that I had the other one?
Someone took my fucking shit. Oh, you have it. Okay.
Did you not hear what I just said?
I literally just said it as I was saying that.
I thought I was recording your way. I switched it. Switch 2?
The Nintendo Switch 2 system can adapt to suit your situation.
Double pumping. It feels like I am just too close to love you. I'm on my way. We saw this Honda step wagon on the way up. We're here. It's a private day for Walk City staff and people that drove on with us. We just pulled up. Pulled this off the trailer. This is gonna be my first event on the standalone, so we'll see how that goes.
Did not get it tuned, just used auto tune and the base map, and it feels like it drove before. It's NA, so like really not worried about anything going crazy bad. The only issue I've been having with it is like the idle. When it returns to idle, it kind of stumbles below the idle and then we'll pull back up. But like sitting at idle is fine. It's just, especially if I like rev it with it just in neutral, like when it comes back down, it wants to die for a second and then gets to the idle. But other than that, it's been fine. Especially like in power band, like on the gas, it feels like it did with the stock ECU. So we'll see how it does today.
All right, so right now we're in line. It's like the Assetto Corsa lobby because there's no cones out or anything.
Driving the car. He wanted me to get a video.
trying to cook a half a brick in the air fryer. Damn, you just got sugar all over. All right. Hey yo!
Gives you better grip on your toes.
It's like I got the
Stick it to his phone.
tires. Oh yeah. Smoke it.
Fat red ball.
Alright, What the fuck? Wait a minute. I'll eat out the thing, bro.
I got a plate there. Just throw it on my plate. Put it on my plate. I don't give a fuck. What if we reach over at the same time to the plate and our hands are covered? Or you can just grab it out the damn thing.
Wait a minute.
You taking a picture of it? You fruity?
No, bro. I'm recording. We'll.
I need that fork.
I'm not grabbing a slice yet. He picked that whole up. That shit went. Meow. Geeked up playing Xbox all day. Look, now it's in the spot. Okay.